Let us start with what is a private placement. What do you mean by private placement? Generally, when a company wants to raise capital, they will make a public issue or a rights issue. Public will subscribe to the shares. However, private placement means any offer of securities or invitation to subscribe. Offer of securities meaning securities can be equity shares, preference shares or debentures. Offer of any securities or invitation, I am giving it is like an invitation to offer, invitation to subscribe to a select group of persons by a company. So a company has some contacts with few high net worth individuals or few investment banking firms. I will privately approach them saying, we want to raise funds, are you interested in investing? Now what are the conditions and important points a company has to follow if they want to raise funds through private placement? Can they raise funds through private placement? Yes, because a company will give an offer to the private investor is ready to invest. But there are some guidelines and compliances they have to follow with so that the company will not cheat the investor. First, company has to pass a special resolution, and along with the explanatory note to the special resolution, salient details about the private placement has to be mentioned. Next, in the entire financial year from April to March, in one entire financial year, such a private placement should not be made to more than 200 people. Because private placement means small group of people. They are saying if you want to do it for more than 200 people, go for a public issue, not a private issue. However, to compute this 200, each security you can compute it as separate 200. So 200 for equity shares, preference shares and debentures, each security you will count it separately. But however, in this 200, you have to exclude qualified institutional buyers and ESOP given to employees. Those allotments will be excluded for computing the number of 200. Since it is a private placement, can I say I can receive money in cash? It's okay? No. Act is very clear. Money should not be received in cash. It should be received only in banking modes. Few other important points, let's discuss them. Company has to comply with the conditions laid down by central government. Central government will keep giving conditions in relation to private placement. You have to comply with that. No right of renunciation. Very, very important. Let's say I make rights offer to Mr. X. If he is not interested in the offer, he can sell it to somebody else. Similarly, if I make a private placement offer to, let's say, JP Morgan company, can they sell that offer to Goldman Sachs? No. If an offer is made to you in private placement, you can accept or reject it, but you cannot renounce it in favor of somebody else. Make offer only to those whose name is recorded in the register. Now, I can make offer only to those people whose name has already been listed in my register. Such persons to receive the offer through the offer letter. Only to those people name who I have mentioned prior to making the offer, only to those people I can give the offer. Company has to maintain record of such offers made, to whom all they have made the offers, who has accepted, who has rejected it, and file such information with the ROC within 30 days of circulation of the offer. Within 30 days of circulating the offer to private people, you have to file that with the ROC. File it within 30 days. Once you receive money from these private investors, you have to make the allotment within 60 days of receipt of such money. If company is not able to make the allotment within 60 days, they are giving you time of 2 months, then if it is going to cross 60 days, company has to refund such money back to the investors within 15 days of time. If they don't refund within 15 days, then company has to pay interest at 12% per annum for every day which is crossing the 15 days. Company cannot make a fresh offer of private placement unless the previous offer which is made, allotment is completed, or offer or invitation made is withdrawn. Let's say company made an offer, they withdrew it, now they can make a fresh offer. When offer is already pending with somebody else, you cannot make a new offer with another party. Company should not make a public advertisement in any form of public marketing, should not be done. Social media marketing, newspaper marketing, no. It is a private placement. Privately with the person you will communicate either through call, mail or any mode, but no public advertisement should be made for private placement. Once the allotment is complete, the company has to file a return of allotment with the ROC within 15 days. What will the return of allotment contain? Names of the shareholders to whom the shares have been allotted, or names of security holders if it is debentures or preference shareholders, address of such security holders, number of securities that have been allotted, and other information which is relevant. Lastly, if company is not going to comply with any of these conditions, or they fail to comply with any of the condition, then person responsible has to pay a penalty of the amount involved. If you are going to raise how much amount involved, that much amount you have to pay a penalty, or 2 crores, whichever is lower. Amount involved in private placement or 2 crores, whichever is lower. So this is about private placement.